All right, students, yesterday we started on topic 5 review, and we got the first the first 6 lessons took care of yesterday. We ended up right here. You need to take a little time and go back over those with your teacher and see if you got them right. And then today we're going to pick up right here and do the same thing that we did yesterday. But you need time to work on this. Okay, so teachers, if you want to pause the video and go through the correct answers with them for what we did yesterday, you may do that. If we want to just go right on with the video, we can do that, and you can use your time however you'd like. Okay, lesson 5-7 was solve unit rate problems. Okay, Doug has 5 hours to make an on-time delivery that's 273 miles away. Doug drives at a constant speed of 55 miles per hour. Will Doug make the delivery by deadline? He has 5 hours. We can do this a couple of different ways, but remember that distance equals rate times time. So I'm gonna forget this for just a minute, leave the 273 out. I'm going to take his rate, which is 55 miles per hour, and I'm going to multiply it by 5 and see how far he's going to get. 55 times 5 is 275. So that's 275 when you multiply 55 times 5. Is 275 at least 273? Yes, it is. So will Doug make the delivery by deadline? Yes. Barely. He better not have a flat. Do you see what I did? I checked to see if this rate times this time would give me that distance. And it did. It went a couple of miles over. Okay? Come back to number 2 later. Ratio reasoning, customary units, complete each conversion. We want to take miles, 2 miles, and we want to change it to feet. Well, I know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. If you don't know that, then you have to look it up. So for me, I'm going to take the 2, multiply it times 5280. 2 times 5280 is 10,560. 10,560 feet. Okay? And you've got some more of those to do. And you either got to go look up those conversion factors, or look at your anchor charts in your rooms, or, well, there's no other or. You look them up, or you know them, or you look at your anchor chart. All right, 5-9, same kind of thing, except it's with metrics. Okay? We're going to take meters to millimeters. Meters is bigger than a millimeter. It takes 1,000 of these to make one of these. So I'm going to take my 3 meters and I'm going to multiply by, in 1 meter on the bottom, there's 1,000 millimeters. Okay, so that would be 3 times 1,000 is 3,000 millimeters. Once again, you have to look them up, or you've got to look at the anchor charts, get your teacher to help you look them up, but you want to go from millimeters to centimeters, kilograms to grams, milliliters to liters. Okay? 5-10, we mix it together. We want to go from grams to ounces. I have to go look that one up because that's not one I remember. Hold on a second. I don't know why I can't remember that one, but I do have a hard time. So I'm going to take my 100 grams, and it's the one that is 1 ounce is 28 28.35 grams. So my grams cancel. So this time I'm going to divide 100 divided by 28.35. 100 divided by 28.35. And we're going to round to tenths. Hundredths is less than 5, so we're going to say that's 3.5 ounces, 3 5/10. Okay, so you got 4 of those to practice. All right, this is only about 6 minutes long today. So your job is to finish this Topic 5 review out of the book. Check all of your answers with the teacher, and she will check it with her key. Okay, after you've had plenty of time, maybe even the last few minutes of class, she just calls out answers and you all check your work. But tomorrow we're going to do a different review, so we need to get finished with this one today, before you leave today. And you need to take this one home, and you need to study it for Friday. And you need to take it home with correct answers on it. Okay, get busy. You have work to do. We want to have some great grades on Friday on that test.